Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Japanese Learning. In the previous video, we have seen 5 hiragana alphabets such as A, E, U, A, O. Okay, now in today's session, we are going to see 5 more hiragana alphabets. Okay, so let us begin. The 5 alphabets for today's sessions are Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Okay, and also each alphabet is known as kana in Japanese. Okay, so these are 5 kana that we are going to learn today. Okay, so let us begin with our first alphabet. So our first alphabet is Ka. Our first alphabet is Ka. And how it is written? Okay, let us see. So this is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, and this is the third stroke. Okay, let us see it again. This is our first stroke, this is second stroke, and this is the third stroke. And how it is pronounced? It is pronounced as ka. It is pronounced as ka. And let us utilize this alphabet and see the example. Okay, so the example is senaka. Senaka means what? Senaka means back. Okay, see the green alphabet that is highlighted is ka. Okay, so senaka means what? Back. Okay, now let us go to the next alphabet. The next alphabet is ki. The next alphabet is ki. Okay, let us see how it is written. So this is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, and this is the third stroke, and this is the fourth stroke. Okay, this is the first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and fourth stroke. Okay, and how it is pronounced? It is pronounced as ki. It is pronounced as ki. Okay, so let us see the example of it. So the word written here is kiru. The word written here is kiru. Okay, so we can see this key highlighted in a green color. Okay, what does it mean? It means where. Okay, it means where. Kiru means what? Kiru means where. Okay, now let us go to the next alphabet. The next alphabet is ku. Okay, the next alphabet is ku. And how it is written? Okay, this is written in one stroke only. Fine. This is written in one stroke. Okay. And how it is pronounced? It is pronounced as ku. It is pronounced as ku. And the example of ku is kumori. The example of ku is kumori. Kumori means what? Kumori means cloudy, such as cloudy weather. Okay. So cloudy is written in Japanese as kumori. Okay. Now let us go to the next alphabet. The next alphabet is K. The next alphabet is K. And the stroke order is this is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, and this is the third stroke. The first stroke, the second stroke, and the third stroke. And the example is Osake. Osake. Okay, osake means what? Osake means alcohol. Okay, osake means what? Osake means alcohol. Okay, now let us go to the next alphabet. The next alphabet is ko. Okay, and let us see its stroke order. So this is the first stroke and this is the second stroke. Okay, this is the first stroke and this is the second stroke. And how it is pronounced? It is pronounced as ko. It is pronounced as ko. And the example is neko. Neko. Okay, neko means what? Neko means cat. Neko means cat. Okay. Now we have completed our 5 alphabets from the hiragana. Now it's a time to see some basic Japanese phrases. Okay, so let us start. The first phrase is hi. The first phrase is hi, and it is written in this manner. Hi. Okay, and what does it mean? It means yes. Okay, it means yes in English. Okay, the next phrase is EA, double IE, EA. and its representation in Japanese is E-A. E-A means what? E-A means no. E-A means no. Okay. Now the next phrase is onegai shimasu. Onegai shimasu. How it is written in Japanese? It is written in this manner. Onegai shimasu means what? Please. Okay. Means what? Please. Onegai shimasu means please. Okay. The next phrase is arigato. The next phrase is arigato. Arigato. Arigato means what? Thank you. Arigato means thank you. Okay. And last phrase for today's session is konbanwa. Okay. In the previous slide, we have already seen this phrase, but the konnichiwa and konbanwa representation was written in the same manner. That's why I considered it here today. And this is the right representation for konbanwa. Okay. So konbanwa is written as konbanwa. Konbanwa means what? Good evening. Okay, so friends, that's it for today. Now we will meet in the next session to see more 5 alphabets from the hiragana. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.